Bill of Rights. Article 3, Bill of Rights. Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property without due process of the law, shall nor any person be denied the equal protection of the law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, paper, and effects, and reasonable search and seizure of whatever nature and for any purposes be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by judge, after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witness, he may produce the produce and particularly describing the place to be searched and the person or things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, or when the public safety, or under the requirements otherwise as prescribed by law. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be admissible for any purpose in any proceedings. Section 4. No law shall be abridging the freedom of speech or expression or of the press or the right of people peaceably to assembly and petition the government for redress grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise, therefore, the free exercise and enjoyment of religion, profession, and worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abandon and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Either shall the right to travel be impaired except upon the interest of national security, public safety, and public health as might be provided by law. Section 7. The right of people to information on matter of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records, the document, the paper pertain to official acts, translation, decision, as well as to government research data used as basis for policy development shall be afforded the citizen limited as might be provided by law. Side continue. Section 8. The right of people, including those employed in the public and private sector, to form union, associations, or society for purpose not contrary to law shall not be abridging. Private property. Impairing the obligation of contact shall be passed. Free access to the court and quasi-judicial bodies and this quite legal associate not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. Section 11. Free access to court and quasi-legal body and adequate legal assistance shall be denied to any person by reason of poverty. Section 12. Any person under investigation for commission of offense shall have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have component and independent counsel. He must be approved with one. This right cannot be waived except in writing and have license of counsel. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any other means which violate the free will shall be used against him. Secret detection, place, solidarity, or other similar form of determination are prohibited. Any comparison or administration obtained violence of this or section, it therefore shall be inadmissible and evidence against him. The law shall provide for penal and civil sanctions for violation for his section. This section, as well as comparison to the rehabilitation of victims of fortune or similar practice and their families. Section 13. All persons except this charge will offense punishable by reclusion perpetua. When evidence of guilty is strong shall therefore conviction be available by efficient sureties or by release on recognizes as might be provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired when the privilege of this writ will habeas corpus is suspended. Execute bail shall required. Section 14. No person shall be denied. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. In all criminal prohibition, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved. The shall enjoy the right to be heard of by himself and cause of the accusation against him to had a speedily, impartial, and public trial to meet the unnecessary face-to-face and have the process to ensure the attendance of witness and the production of education evidence of his behalf. Section 15. The privilege of writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of motion or rebellion while the public safety required. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to speedily disposition of their cases. Therefore, all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies, all persons shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. No person shall be denied the Section 17. All persons shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be denied solely by reason of his political belief and aspirations. No voluntary servitude in any form shall consist as a punishment for a crime. Therefore, the party shall have been duly convicted. Section 20. Section 19. Excessive fine shall not be imposed, nor cruel disregarding or inhuman punishment inflicted. Neither shall the death penalty be imposed, unless for filing reason involvement heinous crime. The Congress hereafter provide for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for death and non-payment of poll tax. Section 21. No person be twice put jeopardy or punishment for a same offense. If an act is punished by law and an ordinance convicted or a requital under either shall constitute a bar to other prosecution for the same act. Section 12. No ex facto law or bill of tender shall be enacted. Thank you.